Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making Kaiser Rolls. This seems like something that could be very daunting. The recipe calls for a specific Kaiser roll cutter. I don't have that. So we're going to be making them into knots, which will make the rolls look like Kaiser rolls. That special Kaiser roll shape comes from someone honoring Emperor Joseph I of Austria back in the 1760s. It's supposed to look like a crown. Who knew? You learn something new every day. Ours, well, crown or not, we're going to eat them. Great eaten plain, great stuffed with sandwich meats, great, well, pretty much it goes with everything that you could possibly imagine with those tearaway pieces. And I can't wait to make them. But have I made this before? Of course not. I'm also making them because making a Kaiser roll, making them for a yummy sandwich, baking them for the first time so you can learn from my mistakes. Well, let's hope there won't be any. All-purpose flour, yeast, sugar, salt, egg, butter, lukewarm water. Mix together until it makes a smooth, supple dough. The dough looks smooth and is pretty supple, so I think we are good. Transfer to a lightly greased bowl. Cover and let rest for 1 hour until it's very puffy. Ooh, look how puffy it got. Transfer it to a lightly oiled surface. It's very light. I can't even describe it. It feels very puffy and light. Fantastic. We're going to gently deflate this a little bit. Just getting some of that air out. I'm going to be scientific about this because we're going to be splitting this into 6 equal pieces. You can guesstimate, but I'm going to do it the mathematic way. So 619 grams divided by 6 is how big each piece will be. And then we're going to roll them into knots. I'm looking for 103. That's close enough. All right, first I'm going to try to get this into a nice ball first, kind of like that. I'm going to roll it into a log, probably about 12 inches in length. Now, you can make this knot any way you want. The way that they show it on the video is they take it like this in their hands, they go around, and then they're going to pull it through. But I don't know that that really works for me so well, so I'm going to do this my way. And just keep wrapping it around like so. I know this does not look neat and nice, but you know what? It's going to work out in the end. And then this end can go down there and connect. And there we have a knot. Cover and let rise for 45 minutes to an hour. They should double in size. At the end of your rise time, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Oh my, these rose a lot, and feel free, you could have greased the plastic wrap. Perhaps I should have done. All right, it's all good. It's all good. The instructions say to take one of the rolls upside down, dip it in milk, and then in either sesame seeds or poppy seeds. I think that's going to be a disaster. So I am going to take the milk and brush it on top and then put either sesame seeds or the poppy seeds on it. Let's put sesame seeds on this one. So I'm gently going to put the milk on top. I'm going to put poppy seeds on this one. All right, put your rolls in whatever shape they look like in the oven for 15 to 17 minutes. Just know, no matter how they look right now, they're going to be delicious. All right, they are golden brown. Let's see if they are light to the touch. Okay. feel good. Let's take them out. You can eat your Kaiser rolls warm, but I'm gonna let them cool for a little bit. So move them over to a rack to cool, and then we get to try them. Look at the Kaiser roll I made. I hope you made them too, because it is very light and it's gonna be delicious. Now, do these look like the perfect Kaiser rolls? No, I think we can both say that. However, it's still gonna taste delicious and would still be great as a sandwich to eat plain on the side of pretty much anything. So let's give it a taste. Let's tear it apart here. Ooh, look at that, look at that. You can see the pull apart. Look how lovely that is. Lovely, just as it should be. It's light and airy. Let's give it a taste. Ooh. Mmm. 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 It is the perfect Kaiser roll. I kid you not. It tastes exactly like one that you would buy in a bakery or anywhere you go. This is great. They don't look perfect, but that's okay because they taste delicious. Come on, if I can make Kaiser rolls for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends. Follow me on Instagram and let me know what other recipes you'd like me to try.